A close shave for the passengers really at the Kanpur airport. An Air India flight has skidded off.
Right, Kashif joining us on the phone line at this point in time. Kashif, what details can you give us?
Deep, at this moment, I can tell you that this aircraft has skidded off the runway. Air India flight 9801 Delhi Kanpur with about 59 passengers on board. But the good news at this moment, Deep, is all passengers and crew on this CRJ type of aircraft are safe. The aircraft landed on the runway, Kanpur airport runway, and skidded off and went into the slush. The weather was good. That's what sources at the airport tell us. At this moment, the aircraft is still stuck in the mud over there. The airport rescue workers are trying to take out the aircraft from the slush. All the passengers have been evacuated from the aircraft, all the crew as well. At this moment in time, we do not know the exact cause of this skid, but we feel, or what the sources tell us, that this aircraft landed at high speed. It even broke the localizer antenna. The localizer antenna is a navigational aid near the runway, and that antenna has been broken. This aircraft is still stuck in the slush, but the good news definitely is that all passengers and crew on this flight 9801 from Delhi to Kanpur CRJ aircraft are safe.
Right, but
We have with us Mr. B.B. Sharma, Assistant Director at the Kanpur Airport. Sir, if you could confirm that there indeed was a small mishap a little earlier today with an Air India aircraft.
Yeah,
ahead.
just I have received a message. Just I'm reaching there, but actually, what actually I was informed, the all passengers are safe. That no injury was taken to any passenger, and just I'm going to just see the situation there now.
Right, Mr. Sharma, if you can tell us what other details you can give us, what aircraft this was, and what seems to be the reason for it overshooting the runway.
No, actually, I don't know anything. When I reach there only, I can just think what actually happened.
You are confirming that all passengers are safe and there have been no...
They're all safe. They're all deboarded and they are sent to some other place on their vehicle.
Right. If you can also tell us, Mr. Sharma, what exactly is happening at the airport now as far as this aircraft is concerned?
No, actually, I cannot say anything now.
Right.
I'm just reaching there. After reaching that place, then only I can just say something. What actually happened exactly?